iPhone 14 plus 128 GB. This will cost you only 42,000. iPhone 15 plus blue color 256 GB storage. This will cost only 65k. If you come from JJ Shopping, it's usually like 58, 55k running in the market, but we'll give it at only 50k if you come from JJ Shopping. 12 GB RAM, 256 GB storage. We'll be giving this at only 42,000. It is 50,000 new one.
Okay.
50,000 you're getting
new one,
directly
is
for
it?
32,000 plus 11.
Okay.
This is 8 GB RAM, 128 GB. Gaming phone. This is iPad. iPads also, we have lots of iPads. It got second gen. This is like 3 months old, that's it. It has another 7 to 8 months warranty remaining. Series 7, this is cellular one, 45mm. This one will be giving at only 14,000. This is iWatch Series 1. This one will give you
Color is really good.
only 5,000. Whichever phones you buy with us, you'll be getting box, bill, cable and 3 months of warranty as well from our store.
All the phones are in very, very good condition. There is not even one dent to it.
Hello friends, today we are there in Brigade Road. In Brigade Road, just opposite to Bata showroom, we have Phones Captain. Just next to Frozen Bottle, this shop has got all kind of iPhones. You name it, you get it in the shop. Not only iPhones, they do have Android phones. They have got iPads, they've got Apple Watches, AirPods, everything. Whatever phone you want, what is your requirement, everything under your budget. They're selling it for best prices, and if you're my subscriber, you will definitely get it for even better price. They do provide warranty, 3 months warranty is provided. They do have new pieces, unboxed pieces. Most of the phones which they have is just used for 10 days or maybe a month. Everything is in a very, very good condition. Trusted shop, reliable shop. There's no scam to this. You can definitely visit and buy the phones at best price.
Hello friends, I'm Syed Mateen from Phones Captain, and today we'll be showing you all the iPhones, iWatches and Android phones, whatever we have with us. We have starting Android phones from 5,000 to 6,000 to almost all the ultra models, and foldable phones also we have. We have OnePlus phones also, and we have iPhones, all the phones starting from iPhone XR to iPhone 16 Pro Max, and we provide EMI options as well. Many people, they want to buy in EMI, so we have got credit card EMI and debit card EMI with us. And if you have any kinds of used phones with you, you want to exchange your phone and buy a new phone, we have. And we sell not just used phones, we sell new product as well, and we'll be giving you at very best price compared to online and compared to showrooms as well. And we'll be providing a shop warranty as well. 3 months warranty you'll be getting, and you can rely on us. We have a very trusted customer base, and we provide exchange as well. Like if you get any kind of problem in our phones, 99% you won't be getting. In case you get, we'll not service the phone, we'll directly replace it to you. And if you want to sell also, we buy back at very good price. We will be giving you very reasonable market value. And our store is located directly in main Brigade Road, opposite to Bata showroom, as you can see in the video. We'll be providing the link in the description below, and we have a Instagram page as well. We'll be providing that also, and you can contact us through WhatsApp, or you can even call us. We'll be giving a number, and we have almost all the phones. You can call us or WhatsApp us. Today we'll be showing you all premium iPhones and Android phones, whatever we have in stock, and we'll be giving them at the very best price, so watch till the end.
Okay.
So let me start with the iPhone XR. This is starting what we have in iPhone XR, 64 GB storage. This will cost you only 15,000. It comes with 85% battery health. You will be getting box, bill, everything with this. And then we have iPhone 12. This is 128 GB, and in this we have 64 GB as well. 64 GB will cost you 23,000, and 128 GB will cost you 26,000. Both are in mint condition.
Okay.
You can see the conditions.
How do you get this phone, sir?
We get all our phones directly from customers, like whichever phone you will be having it. Many people want to exchange, they don't want to keep 2-3 phones with them.
Okay.
So we buy all genuine products directly from the
So
customer.
these are all reliable, whatever you have.
Yes, whatever we sell, all are reliable products. You can easily use for 2-3 years, and you will be getting a store warranty as well. On whichever phone you buy, you will be getting a store bill also.
Okay.
And then we have iPhone 13. In this also we have 2 colors.
Wow.
Both are 128 GB storage. This is Starlight and this is green. This is 86% battery health. This will cost you 30,000. iPhone 13 128 GB, and this is green color. This will cost you only 28,000. iPhone 13.
How are the prices comparative to online?
We are giving at a very reasonable price.
Okay.
And then we have here iPhone 14. This is also 128 GB storage. Let me show this to you what we have. iPhone 14, 128 GB storage, and whichever like If anything is changed, it'll show directly here, so you can come check everything. We'll be providing our serial number also, whichever product you buy, and you
Okay.
can look at the condition also.
Condition is really good, I can see.
Almost all the phones with us are like this
Yes.
only, never
Yes.
serviced or no
Refurbished,
kind of
right?
damage, yeah, no
Okay.
refurbished as well. And then we have
So it's
iPhone.
trusted.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we have iPhone 15 here. This is also 128 GB storage, black color. This one has 92% battery health. 92% battery health, 290 cycle count. The condition also is very good. iPhone 15 128 GB. This will cost you only 45,000.
45,000.
Only 45,000. No
Okay.
one can give you at
So
this
these
price.
prices are fixed, what you're mentioning, or it's going to
Slightly
change?
negotiable.
Negotiable. Okay.
Yeah. And even if you guys have any products you want to exchange with us, you can come exchange, and you can even sell as well.
What are the options if somebody wants to buy a phone? No? What are the options available with you?
We have EMIs as well. We take cash, card, Google Pay, everything. Along with that, we have credit card EMI option and debit card EMI option as well.
Oh, okay.
We'll be providing all the details
All
in the WhatsApp.
details. Okay.
Then we have this iPhone 14 Plus, 94% battery health. It's in mint, like brand new condition,
Wow.
not even a single dot. And
Yeah.
looks so.
It's looking like brand new itself.
Yeah.
Yes.
iPhone 14 Plus 128 GB. This will cost you only 42,000.
42,000.
Only 42,000
Okay.
iPhone 14 Plus. And one more we have in this. This is 87% battery health, 128 GB storage.
Okay.
This will cost you only 38,000.
Oh.
And whichever
38,000.
phones you buy with us, you'll be getting box, bill, cable, and 3 months of warranty as well
Warranty.
from our store.
Okay. Suppose somebody wants to resell it to you. So do you buy that?
Yeah, we buy. They need to have the box bill of their phone. Only then we buy.
Okay.
And then we have your iPhone 15 Plus, blue color, 256 GB storage. This is only 2 months old. It has 10 months of warranty remaining, Apple warranty. 256 GB, 99% battery health. This will cost only 65k,
65K.
65,000 only.
Super. All options are available in iPhone.
All the phones we have more also. We'll be giving a WhatsApp catalog in the description. You can check it out.
Yes.
And then we have iPhone 13 Pro Max,
Okay.
gold color, 256 GB storage. We are giving it at a very best offer. If you come from JJ Shopping, it's usually like 58, 55k running in the market, but we'll give it at only 50k if you come
Wow.
from JJ Shopping.
Wow, that's nice. So
And
whoever
then-
is watching the video must visit the shop,
Yeah.
and you can personally come and purchase. Even you do have online facility, right?
Yeah, if you're
If they
not here
prefer
in
buying
Bangalore,
online.
you're out of Bangalore, you
Okay.
can definitely come. You
Yeah.
can definitely contact us. We'll show you the phone in video call, and if you trust us, we can courier it to you.
Yes. And all the phones are in very, very good condition. There is not even one dent to it, and all looking like fresh phones. But these are used phones, but not used for a long time.
Yeah, very slightly used.
Slightly used phones, and they are not refurbished, right? What, as you mentioned.
Never refurbished or never serviced. All in genuine conditions. You can even take them to the service center and show them. You can verify it.
Trusted. Yes.
And then we have your iPhone 14 Pro Max, deep purple. Even this will be giving it at a very best price. Let me show this to you. You can check here. The display or anything is never changed. You can see the
Yes,
true
yes,
tone,
yes, yes.
the Face ID, everything will be working. Before even you buy, we'll check and give you everything.
Everything. Super.
iPhone 14 Pro Max, 128 GB storage, 86% battery health.
Okay.
We'll be giving it to you this at only 60,000.
Okay. 60,000.
Only 60,000
Okay.
iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Okay.
Then we have iPhone 15 Pro Max.
Uh-huh.
iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is only like 8 months old. It has more 4 months warranty remaining.
Okay.
256 GB storage in blue color. It's Indian purchase. You'll be getting bill box, everything.
Okay.
We'll give you this only at 86,000.
86,000.
Only 86,000.
Nice.
And then we have your 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max.
Oh, you have Pro Max as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
And both of these are like just open from the box. Indian purchase. This has only like 16 Pro, only one cycle count, natural titanium, 128 GB. We'll give this at only 1,02,000.
1,02,000.
Only 1,02,000
Okay.
Indian variant, not out of India. And then this is 16 Pro Max, 256 GB, only 3 cycle count, 100% battery health, only 10 days old, Indian purchase. This will be given at only 1,15,000.
Okay. Okay. So apart from this, what are the services you're offering? Like maybe like a customer comes back with some complaint. Do you
I
attend
can
to
guarantee
that?
that 99% will not be getting any complaints. In case you get, we'll directly replace and give you the mobile.
Wow,
No
that
servicing
assurity
anything.
is there.
Yes, that assurity is there.
Yes.
First of all, you'll not get any problem because before you put the money, we are the ones who invest in it. So we QC everything, we verify everything,
You check
then only we
everything,
buy.
only then you buy.
Yes.
Trusted.
Yes.
Yes, sir. What else are you going to show now?
We'll show in Android now.
Yes.
All the Ultra models, very demanded right now. Everyone keeps asking for S24 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is 512 GB storage.
Okay.
You will be getting box, bill, cable, everything. It has more 3 months of warranty remaining. 9 months used. We'll be giving this at only 80,000.
Wow.
S24 Ultra, 512 GB.
Okay.
And then we have here Samsung S23 Ultra. This is 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. 1 year used. We'll give this at only 53,000.
53,000.
Yeah, even this is in mint condition as you can see.
Really good condition.
All these are 200 MP camera. So you'll be getting very good video.
Oh, wow.
And this is S22 Ultra. Comes in budget, so all of them keep inquiring about S22 Ultra. And we have lots of stock in S22 Ultra. You can see the condition as well.
Really good.
It's in brand new condition. 12 GB RAM, 256 GB storage. We'll be giving this at only 42,000.
42,000.
Only 42,000.
Wow.
Best Ultra phone.
Super.
And then if you have little bit lower budget also, we have in Ultra. S21 Ultra, 12 GB RAM, 256 GB.
Okay.
We'll be giving this at only 30,000.
30,000.
So we have S20 Ultra series starting from 30,000. S21 Ultra, 2 Ultra, 3 Ultra, 4 Ultra. We have all the Ultra models.
Okay.
And we'll be getting the 25 Ultra as well. We'll definitely make a video about that also later.
Sure. Super.
And then we have here in Google,
Wow.
very rare
Yeah.
to find
Can I
in the
see?
market. Yeah.
How much is
Pixel 8,
this?
that is only like 2 months old. 10 months of warranty is remaining. You'll be getting box bill, everything.
Okay.
Google Pixel 8, hazel color. This one will be giving that only 32,000. It is 50,000 new one.
Okay.
50,000 you are
50,000
getting
new one,
directly
is it?
for 32,000.
Okay.
Only 60 days use, that's
Wow.
it. 10 months warranty is remaining. Then we have Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, the higher end, the last
Higher
model of Google Pixel.
Super.
This is 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage.
Okay.
It's an Indian variant. It has bill of 1,22,000. Another 8 months of warranty is remaining. We'll give this at only 85,000.
Wow. That's really good.
Flat 40,000 discount.
Wow. Wonderful. It's a trusted shop. Whatever he's saying,
Yeah.
you can rely on him, friends.
You can rely, and not
Yes.
just that, if you're going to buy new phone, again if you go to resell it, you'll be losing 30-40,000. You can directly come to us. If you are like use for 6 months and 1 month, 6 months and 1 year, you sell it back, then you can go for all these kinds of phone.
That's great.
Then
What
we
is
have here
this?
OnePlus 11.
Okay.
This is 8 GB RAM, 128 GB. Gaming phone. We'll give this at
Is it
only.
gaming phone?
Yeah, it's a gaming
Oh.
phone. Many students keep inquiring about it. OnePlus 11 and OnePlus 12.
Okay.
We
So
have
what are the features in this? Like, what are the features?
Snapdragon 888 Gen 2 processor you'll be getting. 50 MP back camera, 16 MP front camera, 5000 mAh battery capacity. It comes with box, original charger, 100 watts. You'll be getting bill and 3 months warranty also from our store, and we'll be giving this at only 26,000.
Okay.
You'll not find this anywhere at this
Anywhere
price.
else. Wow. Super.
And we have more also in Android. We'll be giving it in the description in the
Yes.
catalog.
Yes.
You can check here. We have around 12,000, 13,000, 15,000. In Samsung also we have.
Everything is there, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Even you have new pieces, right, sir? Apart
Yes.
from the used ones, you have
Yes.
new
We
fresh
have new
pieces
also.
as well,
Fresh
right?
pieces also we have.
Okay.
Fresh pieces we have 5G starting from 8,000 rupees.
Okay.
Poco C75, 4GB RAM, 64GB, 5G phone starting from 7,000. It's not like we have only premium phones. We have the lower end phones also.
For everyone, you have phones in your
Yes.
shop, right?
Yes.
Okay. Whatever is the budget, you can just get a best phone for that.
Yes.
Yes.
You
Wow.
can call us or WhatsApp us.
So I will share your number on the screen, WhatsApp and whatever number. In case they are interested, they can call you, right?
Sure,
Is there any
definitely.
particular timing that your shop is open from what time to what time?
From morning 11 a.m. to evening 10 p.m.
Okay. Every day throughout
Every
the
day.
year. Okay.
Sunday to Monday.
What is this?
This is iPad.
Uh-huh.
iPads also, we have lots of iPads. Right now this is iPad Pro. 256GB storage, M2 chip, iPad Pro 11 inches, 4th generation. It comes with Apple Pencil,
Okay.
and Magic Keyboard as well. It's a combo offer.
Magic keyboard, is it?
Yeah, Apple Magic Keyboard. If you buy alone this Magic Keyboard in Apple, it is 29K, and this pencil is 11K. We'll be giving all this together with the iPad 256GB cellular one, including all this, you'll be getting at 85K.
85K.
If you go purchase a new one, it will cost you more than 1,30,000-40,000 for iPad Pro, along with all these
You
things.
can trust all these things, whatever he's showing, friends, because whenever they purchase, they buy, they properly check and they buy from the customers. So everything is reliable. You can trust, and they offer service also. 3 months you give warranty, right?
Yes, 3 months warranty you'll be getting.
So what else are you going to show me?
Then we have a folding phone. We have in Samsung as well, but
Okay.
this is right now the very hot selling in the market.
Foldable,
OnePlus
is it?
Open. Yeah,
Oh,
foldable
wow.
phone.
So nice. Okay. Wow. Feels
very
so
lightweight
good.
also.
Lightweight, yes.
16GB RAM, 512GB storage. It has more 5 months of warranty remaining. It
Okay.
has bill of 1,40,000. We'll be giving this at only 75,000.
75,000.
Direct 50% off.
Wow. What are the
1,40,000.
features of this phone, sir?
16GB RAM, 512GB storage, 4800 mAh battery capacity with 50 MP periscopic camera. It has 120Hz refresh rate as well. You'll be getting box, bill, original charger, everything.
Superb.
And then
Very, very nice. And these are not used for a long time, right?
no, slightly used. You can see
Okay.
all the conditions.
I know
what
the
I'm showing
conditions
you.
are really good. So
There won't be
trusted.
even a single dent also on the
Yes.
phone. Mint condition. Then we have AirPods.
Okay, these are fresh pieces, right?
No, these are also used. We
Used,
have
is it?
fresh and used both.
Okay.
AirPods second gen. This is like 3 months old. That's it. It has another 7 to 8 months warranty remaining. Original, you'll be getting bill, everything. This will cost you only 5,000 rupees.
5,000.
New one is 12,000.
Okay.
And then we have AirPods Pro second gen, the higher end one. This will cost you only 16,000. Only 10 days old.
10 days old.
It has bill of 22,000.
22,000. Wow, nice. So many.
And then come here, let me show you the
Yes,
mid-range phones.
Yes. Mid-range, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Oppo Reno 12, 8GB RAM, 8GB RAM, 256GB. It has 1 year of insurance as well. It has 8 months warranty remaining. This one will be giving to only 23,000. And then we have 5G phones. All these are for around 10K. This will cost you
Okay.
10,000. 8GB RAM, 128GB Vivo Y56. Then we have this Oppo 8GB RAM, 256GB. A79. This will cost you only 12K. And then we have Oppo F21 Pro 5G. This will cost you only 12,000 as well. This is also 256GB gaming phone Poco F5 5G. This will cost you only 15,000. And then we have Vivo V23 5G. This will
Okay.
cost you only 14,000. Then we have in Samsung for 5G phone 10,000, 8,000, 6,000, 5,000, 5,000.
All the range he has got, and based on your use, like for what purpose you are going to buy the phone, whether it's for gaming purpose or for just calling purpose, you have different type of phones with him. Not only phones, he has got watches as well, right?
Watches,
So what are these
AirPods,
watches?
iPads.
All these things?
Apple Watch and Samsung Watch, we have both. His Watch 5 Pro, this will cost you 15,000 LTE version. And if you're looking for a little bit cheaper one also, we have only 6,000. We have starting
6,000.
Samsung Watch from 6,000.
Oh.
Watch 3.
Okay.
It's also in good condition.
Almost everything look like fresh piece, friends. We cannot say these are used ones. Only it's out of the pack, that's it.
Yes,
Otherwise
just
it looks
unbox, you can
yes,
say.
Yes, yeah.
This is Series 7. This is cellular one, 45mm. This one will be giving at only 14,000.
14,000.
It's actually selling like 18,000 like that in the market. But if you come from JJ Shopping, we'll be giving it at only
wow.
14,000. And then we have same Series 7, 41mm. This one will be given at only 12,000.
12,000. You have different color options also.
Yes, we have more
Very
watches.
nice. Like, I really liked it. So it's almost like you're saving rather than buying
Apple
a new
Watch.
phone. You can buy, and it's not used for a long time. It's almost like a new thing. It's
It looks like new.
phone or watch. Yes. How much is this?
10,000. iWatch SE.
Okay.
If you buy a new one, it is around 25,000. So you'll be saving a lot of money in iWatches and AirPods. This is iWatch Series 1. This one will give you
Color
at
is really good.
only 5,000.
5,000.
Yeah,
Super.
it's like brand new.
Brand new. Nice. What is this?
These are iPads, man, for
Okay.
students. They keep asking for study purposes and for gaming purpose also it's good.
Okay.
This is iPad mini, very handy. As you can see, in one hand only you can hold this. iPad mini 5, 64GB storage. It's supposed the latest iOS 18 in this, so you can use for everything. iPad mini 5, 64 GB storage. You will be getting box bill charger also with this. We'll give this at only 15,000.
15,000.
Only 15,000. We have more iPads as well. This is iPad Air 2. This is 10.2 inches.
Okay.
Comes with fingerprint, 64 GB storage. We'll be giving this at only 12,000.
Wow. So how many years have you been into this business? Like how long are you running this business?
It's almost been 15 years, ma'am.
Okay.
We are in this business for almost 15 years and we have lots of trusted customers with that loyal customers,
Okay.
and we are providing all the trusted phones, verified phones.
So people can trust you, right, sir?
Yes, easily they can trust it and they buy.
So instead of buying a new phone, you can definitely come here and buy the phones or iPads or watches or AirPods, whatever you want, friends. Even they do have fresh phones, right?
Yes.
So fresh phones, like what are the prices like comparative to online? Is it cheaper?
Now,
or
for
this-
example, many people keep asking for iPhone 16 Pro Max. iPhone 16 Pro Max in the showroom it is 1,40,000.
Okay.
We get the Dubai variants, out of India variants for very cheap price, like for around 1,15,000, 1,18,000. Daily the market keeps changing. So according to that, we can offer you the best price. And not only in iPhone, not only in the higher end phones, we'll give you comparatively for lesser price.
Lesser price.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, for example, if this phone is like 85,000 in the market, we'll be giving it at only 80,000
Oh, okay.
in new and used both.
Nice. Thank you so much.